Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change the language setting in the Zangi private messenger application using your iOS device. To change the language in the Zangi private messenger app, open the application first and log into your account if necessary. Once you're inside the home page of Zangi, tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Inside the settings menu, scroll down and look for languages option. From the list of language displayed on the screen, tap on your desired language that you want to change to. Now click on the change button at the bottom to confirm for the new language to take effect. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to change your language in the Zangi private messenger application. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.